Hi guys, I'm Pooja and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be reviewing kaybeauty's newly launched illuminating highlighters. So let's get into the video. So the kaybeauty illuminating highlighters cost 799 rupees for a pan and they come in 6 different colors. As you can see, the color ranges from pinks to quite whitish lavenders to champagnes to gold and a little brighter gold. Alright, so these are all the colors of the highlighter. We are starting from my favorite, the one that I'm using in the video, which is Sunlit Gold. And then we are moving toward Honey Glaze. The next one is Champagne Fizz. Next is Frosted Ice. Then we have this rosy color, which is actually called as Rosy Dew, and this gorgeous coppery color, which is called as Copper Shine. I think there's something for every skin tone in the range. If you already have like a blush topper, you have something which is going to look amazing as a blush topper and as a highlighter as well. These will look really nice on the dusky skin tones. This is something that will look good on everybody. And if you're a bit on the darker side, I think this is going to look amazing. So there's something for everybody in the range. So let me just open one and I'll show you guys. So here's how the packaging looks like. It's a very simple kaybeauty box. As all other products, it has K written all over it. The one I have tried, which I have used for I think over 2 weeks now, is Sunlit Gold, and it is a very I would say not very cool tone, but cool tone gold, a mix of champagne, a hint of champagne, but let me just show you the product first. So it has name written right here, and you have this cushioned kind of a box so that the product does not break. And here is the product packaging. It is a very sleek kaybeauty packaging with K written right here. You open it up, there is a nice big enough mirror so that you can take it on the go and it does not break. And here is the product. Let me just swatch it for you. So here is how it looks. It's very buttery soft. Let me show you. Okay, that was a little difficult. So it swatches like that. It has really high pigmentation. There are no bigger chunks of glitter, so it does not look like very obvious glowy glittery, but it gives you that glow from within kind of a look, and that is exactly what the product packaging says. So before talking any further, let's just try it out and then I'll talk more about the formula. Alright, so let's just try it out. I'm going to use my usual brush, which is a Real Techniques brush. As you can see, it's quite old and beaten up. I always use this, and I'm just going to pick up a bit of the product. There is a little bit of fallout, which is not as bad. I'm just going to dust it off and let's go. See, there is a little bit of product already there with one swipe, and you can leave it right there if you want a very natural kind of finish. But I'm going to go in with more and let's see how this product looks when built up. So I'm just going to put a little more here, and then I'm going to go and put up a little here, top of the nose, cinch in the brush a little on the nose bridge, and cupid's. Okay, so you can see highlighter gives you that nice beautiful pop that you need from a highlighter, but it looks really nice and natural. This is not something that a person who loves that, you know, bam in the face highlighter would love, but for real life this is amazing. It actually shows up very nice in camera as well. I will just pop up a picture right here, which I took a few days back when I used this for the first time, and it showed up beautifully in the camera. So this is the kind of finish that you get. It's very silky smooth kind of a finish. The good part is that it does not accentuate all the texture of the skin and the marks and the fine lines that one might have. That makes it very usable for people with mature skin as well. It does not look chalky or any kind of chunky because of not having any bigger glitters. So this is 2 layer. Let me just try and build it out a little more and see how this works. So I'm going to take a little more. There's a bit of fallout, and I'm going to put it right here. Okay, so this is how it's looking here. This is my skin. At the whole, I actually quite like the product. I have been enjoying this particular color, which is Sunlit Gold, a lot. But the only downside, I would not say downside, but I think the product is a bit expensive. It costs 799 rupees, and I think yes, it is 8.5 grams of product, which is a bit expensive for a highlighter. But then when I look at it, you're just going to use a little bit, so I think this pan is going to last you for quite some time. Now I'm just going to get my phone and I'll show you how this highlighter looks on phone and how it photographs in the phone camera. Alright, so here's my phone. I will just take a picture and I will pop it on the screen so that you know how it photographs. Just me take a picture. Alright, and now we're going to take a video and I'll show you the clip on how it looks. So hi guys, here I am with my phone, and this is how the highlighter is looking. It's actually looking really nice and smooth. I'm sure it is actually comparable to my Anastasia highlighter, and I actually really like it. It has a really nice smooth finish. Now we're going to go out in the natural light and let's see how it works. Okay, so now this is me with absolutely no professional lighting, and you can see it's actually looking really nice and smooth. I'm actually shocked. This might be my new favorite highlighter. It's beautiful. I love it. Alright guys, you just saw the footage from my phone. I am shocked. It is looking so beautiful, not only in the professional lighting but in real light also. It's looking beautiful, very smooth. I'm actually shocked. I was not expecting this. It is very much comparable to the Anastasia highlighter kit and also to the Huda Beauty highlighters. Both of them are my favorite and I love them. So this product is actually amazing. After, I would say, kaybeauty's what's it called, crayons, which I'm wearing on my lips today, I think this is their best product. I loved it. Let me just mention quickly, if you can see here in the pan, because it is a very buttery soft formula, there are these little bit of textures here from my brush, so that's a bit weird. But then of course it's a very soft formula, so maybe the brush did that. There's a little bit of kickback in the pan, which is okay. It's not something that you have to worry about. It's a bit expensive, but the product is good, so I think it's completely worth your money. If you are looking for a good highlighter, then I highly recommend this one, Illuminating Highlighters by kaybeauty. You can get it on Nykaa, but I think for Indian skin tones, it's a great color. And yeah, that is all for my today's video. I really hope you like this quick review. If you did, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.